project name is Solar House. In this we are demonstrating how solar energy is utilized for household electricity. These are the solar panels. This is a dummy solar panel, and solar panel can also be installed on the roof. Then it is called rooftop solar panel. These solar panels are installed outside the home where there is sufficient sun rays falling on it. Now this is a real solar panel. The real solar panel output is available only when sunlight falls on it. Artificially we can use a bulb, and when the bulb is shining, we have mounted a small LED light emitting diode on the top of the solar panel which will glow. First let us see, there is a battery placed beneath the house which is actually powering the home. Now this we will see. Now the light is off. If I switch on, you can observe the red light is glowing. The LED is glowing. If I remove the light will slowly go down, and finally it will be switched off. If I again bring the light, it will be switched on. This is how the solar panel works. This is the project of solar house.